Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton was found not guilty on all 16 articles of impeachment today. The accusations included disregard of official duty, abuse of public trust, and misappropriation of public resources. They stemmed from allegations that Paxton helped his friend, real estate investor Nate Paul, obtain confidential records against him in exchange for helping Paxton renovate his home and cover up extramarital affair. No article received more than 14 of the required 21 votes to convict. Paxton was not present today. KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz has covered this trial from beginning to end. He was in the chamber for the verdict this morning and has reaction from Austin.
The victory for Attorney General Ken Paxton was not even close. It was overwhelming, and it was also filled with much emotion, especially afterwards from both sides with regards to what took place in there.
We are proud of the case we put on. We should not have had to prove our innocence, but that's what we did.
Tony, what was your mindset coming into today's verdict?
I was as nervous. Well, there's an old saying in East Texas, maybe I'll say it this way. I was nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. We didn't know, there were no leaks. We had no idea how the jury would vote. All we were focused on was trying to put on the best case we could.
Had you ever been that nervous before?
Well, I've had 4 children, so probably not, certainly not in the legal practice.
It was a joke for us to have to go through this, that is Ken Paxton and his family, as well as the senators and everyone else, is just a shame.
We heard the Lieutenant Governor explain in the media before trial that this is not a civil trial, it was not a criminal trial, it was a political trial. And at the end of the day, you have to understand that we provided all the evidence that you would in a formal trial, encased and wrapped up in a political trial.
Chairman Murr, what would you have done differently?
I would not do anything differently. The House acted pursuant to its rules, statutes, and the Constitution.
So with the Senate impeachment trial behind them, there is also this concern of a looming FBI investigation. That was a topic that I addressed specifically with Paxton's attorneys.
Dan, Tony, how does this decision today, as dramatic and as overwhelming as it was, change the scope of the FBI into your client?
I have no idea. I don't speak for the FBI. I try not to.
I can tell you this, that the Attorney General is excited and ready to get back to work, and that's what he's going to do.
As for Attorney General Ken Paxton, he was silent throughout the course of this trial, but he did issue a statement following the verdict saying that he was happy that the truth prevailed, also adding that he viewed this entire process as a sham. At the Capitol in Austin, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 investigates.